In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and accept pending requests on Threads. We'll be doing this directly in Chrome, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. If you've got notifications building up, or you want to quickly manage incoming requests from people you follow, this is a fast way to stay organized and keep your account up to date. To begin, open Chrome on your computer and go to threads.net. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Threads account. If you manage more than one profile, it's worth taking a quick second to confirm you're in the right place before making any changes. After you're on the main Threads screen, look over to the main sidebar. This is where you'll find the primary navigation icons for your account and activity. In that sidebar, click the heart icon. This section is where Threads collects your activity-related updates, including notifications and request-related items. When the notifications area opens, you may see a mix of different updates. To make things easier to review, apply the follows filter. This narrows the list so you can focus specifically on follow-related activity rather than scrolling through everything else. Using the filter is especially helpful if your account is active and you receive a lot of engagement. Once the follows filter is active, look through the pending requests that appear. If there are requests waiting for your approval, you'll see the option to confirm them. Click Confirm next to the request you want to accept. As you do this, those pending requests will be approved and removed from the waiting state. If you have multiple pending requests, you can continue working through them one by one in the same section. Taking a moment to clear these out regularly can help you keep your connections current and make sure you don't miss people you actually want to approve. And that's it. You've opened Threads in Chrome, gone to the heart icon in the sidebar, filtered the notifications by follows, and confirmed any pending requests. It's a quick process, but it makes account management much easier, especially if you check Threads from a desktop browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.